The app has companion add-ins for Microsoft Word and Excel that allow you to link documents and workbooks to your tasks from within those applications. This video will show you how to use the Word add-in. The Excel add-in works in the same way. When you install the add-in, you'll see a new Tasklist tab on the Word ribbon with two buttons, Open a Document and Save to Tasklist. You'll see the same two buttons on the Word backstage when you click on File in the menu bar. You can use the buttons in either place. To link a document to a task, click on the Save to Tasklist button. Then click on the Save button in the pop-up menu. The app will check whether the document has already been saved to Tasklist. If it has, the app will simply save any changes to the document. If the document has not been saved to Tasklist, the app will show you a dialog to save a new document. Give the document a description and select a task. If you like, add a note to the document and click Save. The app will save the document in a subfolder called Tasklist in your default Documents folder and will link it in Tasklist to the task you selected. The app gives you other options for saving documents. If you choose Save as a new document, the app will treat the document as a new document, even if it is already saved in the app. This allows you to save the same document to a different task. If you choose Save as a new version of this document, the app will do just that. You might do this if you want to preserve the current version of the document before you save changes. If you choose Save as a new version of another document, the app will show you a list of the documents saved to the app and prompt you to choose a document as the original document for this new version. This might be useful if you send someone a document and they send it back to you with changes. You can save the changed document as a version of your original document. You can also use the regular Save As button on the backstage to save a copy of the document anywhere on your computer. Once you've saved a document to a task, you can see it listed in Tasklist, and you can open it from there by double-clicking on it or right-clicking and selecting Open Document. You can also open a document by clicking on the Open a Document button on the ribbon or the backstage. This will give you a list of all your documents that are saved to the app. Here you can change the description, change the linked task, add or edit the note about the document, filter the document list by task, and open or delete a document.